Hello, welcome back to the Crafty Organizer. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm doing more of a vlog style update. I've never done one of these before, so I'll be interested to know what your feedback is on it. But I want to redo my space. I've been talking about doing it, and today when I was trying to figure out what video I wanted to present to you, I just wasn't motivated by anything that I have. Now, I've never talked about the way I film. I wake up all of the time. I grab my phone, I'll spew out whatever crazy ideas just come to me, and I set it aside. And then when I have time, I research that idea. You guys, this book is all literal future ideas. So sometimes I get people asking, how do you get ideas? That's not the hard part. But when I come out here, I always want to give a really genuine, authentic video about something I'm excited and passionate about. And sometimes when I'm going through these, I'm just not being sparked with that. Oh, that's what I want to talk about today. But today, this is what I want to do. And so I'm not going to do it with you right now. I just want to talk about some of the things that I'm going to be doing. Number one, I'm going back to the black and white. So many of you gave both sides. Since I just cut this paper down to fit in the back of my bookcases, I'm going to roll it up and set it aside. And later, if I choose to go back, it's so easy to put up, which is why this is one of my favorite ideas and suggestions for how to update something. So I'll go back to the black and white. Later I can switch it to this, or I can introduce a whole new look. So I'm going to be doing that, but I'm also going to purge again. I got to meet with a client yesterday that I had worked with before about 2 years ago, and I actually got to do a video of her space on this channel. And she was so hesitant to have me come back because the room had gotten disorganized again, and she was so fearful of what my reaction would be. And that reminded me that I need to be constantly reminding you guys that your space is always evolving, changing, adapting, and it's never going to be a one and done. If you are an active woodworker, cook, crafter, sewer, your supplies are always going to be changing. Your space is always going to be adapting to the projects you're doing. And let's face it, the things that we're interested in are constantly shifting as we do something and get sick of it and shift to something else. So craft rooms are meant to be used, worked in, messed up, and then reorganized and put back together. The trick is finding a system that works for you and your style. So I'm going to be revamping my space, and if you look through my history, this is probably at least the 8th time, being very frugal on that number, that I've redone my space. So if you're looking at a space that you had neat before and you're feeling badly about yourself, don't. So redoing the back, I'm going to put my labels on. I had never decided labels last spring, so I'm going to finish that. Purging, and I'll show you everything we've done. So make sure you've got that subscribe button clicked, and I will see you guys in just a few days. Bye.